Have you ever wanted to use your DSLR or camera to set up a photo booth for a wedding or corporate event? You can do this now with this tutorial and the free Python script I offer you.
So this is a very basic setup for a DSLR photo booth based on a Python script based on two Canon SELPHY CP1000 and a Nikon D5200. The Python script here basically does two things. First, it starts a free file synchronizer tool. When I run this Python tool here, this free file sync is loaded and just starts every 3 seconds. And then via the media file transfer protocol, SD card on the camera is checked if there is any new files. And if there is any new files, the files will be stored on a folder on the PC. Then a frame is put over the picture and scaled, and then these pictures with the frame are sent to one of the two Canon SELPHY printers, which have to be named exactly like that in Windows. And also the output images are stored here in a folder. Let me show you like that. There is an output folder. There are all the previously done images. So when I just use the remote control for the camera here, see the camera is reacting, taking a picture, and then the picture is already transferred and then saved and sent to one of these. And then if I take another picture, it will then transfer this picture, send it to the other printer, so it's in an alternating order. Send it to one of those printers, and now both printers are working. I can make another picture, and also this will be transferred and then will be in the waiting list of the Microsoft system. So just a normal printer waiting list. And you see here, this is the frame I made for this picture. But you can use basically any PNG file with a transparent inner part as a frame, or you can also leave that frame out. So, and I think this first printer should then get the third picture. Yeah, it's already starting for the next print. So we have then 3 images taken, 2 prints already, and another print is running. These Canon printers, I read online that the reviews on these printers are pretty bad, so they seem to be not very reliable. For me, they have been very reliable. Been using them for a couple of years now. Printing hundreds of pictures with these was absolutely no problem. I'm sorry for the cable mess here, it's just a portable setup like that. I use it like that, so absolutely easy to just put the set out here while having these in the box and then loading with new pictures. And if I want to reload the ink cartridge every 100 pictures or so, they have to be taken out, but that's a matter to you. So you could do that any way you like. But I will give you the script here, and then what you would make that usable for you is just changing these paths here, like input directory, output directory, and then make your own frames, which are then just put here in the folder. This is just one of the frames. And that could be anything you like. Yeah. So this is the output. I'll send you the link in the description, and have fun with this and send me some comments. Maybe you added something, maybe you changed something, so please tell me if there was anything that you didn't like and you think would be necessary to improve or done different. For me, this is running very stable. There's zero trouble with doing that like this. I mean, it's not perfectly elegant to have this file transfer protocol start every couple seconds, but at least for me, it was not possible to access the media transfer protocol directly via Python. Maybe you have some sort of hint or clue to that. Maybe in future I would build a GUI standalone version of that program to not run it in the Python or Spider environment. Spider is free, just download it, install it, and then you can run the Python file. So yeah, have fun with it. That's been it with the video so far, and see you.